I think this is the last one, right?
Yes,
Yep.
it
Oh, this semester is flying. Next,
is.
yeah, next week
Yeah.
it's over.
All right.
Anyone come back for spring?
I will be there.
Yep, I'll be here.
Yeah. Yeah. Weird spring break.
I wish it was longer.
Yeah.
Spring break, 3 months more.
Yeah, seriously. Okay. You guys got it pulled up?
Got it.
Okay, so yeah, there's just those 3 sections, and it says not required you to complete all problems as a group. Just review the problems and work on a selection. So,
Cool.
yeah, I was just thinking we just do one from each section and call it good, unless there's anything else you guys want to talk about or go over.
No, that sounds good. Like we could just do the first one of each section,
Oh,
Okay.
unless you have a specific one.
No, I do not care. Let's see. Pull that up. Okay. Let me grab. Okay.
so most of them they have the pretty decent selection for the key. So yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Mhm. Just quick view. So you guys go ahead. Which one want to pick up?
Okay. So I guess just the first one where it says 2 sine 2x plus square root of 3 equals 0. And then we're supposed to find it in between 0 and 2 pi. So pretty much solving for, to my understanding, just like we've done in the homework and stuff, you pretty much almost solve it down till you hit x. So you put the square root of 3 over on the side where the 0 is, and then you do the inverse sign to get the sign over on that side, and then you're just left with 2x. My only confusion is on the homework we only had to do find it in between 0 and 2 pi.
Mhm.
But this question says find it in between 0 and 2 pi and all solutions. What is
So
all solutions? What is that?
so between 0 to 2 pi there is a several solution. If you see the key, this answer will be work whenever it hit to 4 pi or 3 over 4 pi and 5 pi over 3. This also the both work. So we want you to list all the possibility of this answer.
Oh, okay.
Because the sign of negative root 3 gives you, like, there's multiple, those 2 things.
Those two, those two like answers, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Then if you go see the down there, they say all because this will go into a cycle. So every single time they go to a cycle, they go to other 4 pi over 3 or other 5 pi over 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's keep going. So just you write down the first possible in the 2 pi period,
Okay.
and then you write down all the problem. Yeah.
Okay.
That makes sense.
And so pretty much is it saying it on the key even it says 2x equals 4 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Is that
2 possibility?
That's the 2 possibilities, and then the 2 possibilities in between the 0 and 2 pi is the 2 pi over 3, 5 pi over 6.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Because
That makes sense.
dividing the 4 pi by under over 3 and 5 pi over 3, dividing those by 2 gets you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Divided by 2 gets you those. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Well, I understand that.
Yep. Sounds good to me. Let's move on to the first one of section 2.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go to section 2. So the section 2 is basically like the answer said. So my experience doing the verified, whenever which side is easier to see, we go to the each side. You can see the first question is cosine 3x equal to cosine x, and have a 1 minus 4 times sine square x. So 1 minus 4 times sine square x is really hard
Yes.
to solve that. So the suggestion is to go the other side, which is cosine 3x,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
And we can 3x can separate to 1x plus 2. Then we can use the separate function to solve. This will be equal to cosine x times cosine 2x minus sine x minus sine 2x. We can solve the cosine 2x to 1 minus 2 times sine square x minus sine x times 2 sine x cosine x. Then we open the, what's the code? Black
Parentheses.
parentheses.
Yeah.
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 Then we get cosine x minus 2 cosine x sine square x minus 2 cosine x sine square x. Then we got then we can factor out cosine x from this entire formula. Then we got cosine x parenthesis 1 minus 4 times sine square x.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's how you verify it. Okay.
Yeah, I'll verify it. Yeah. Sometimes take a time. Yeah. If you cannot
Yeah.
work on one side, just go other side.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Those ones, yeah, they make sense. They just take time. Yeah.
Definitely take time for your finals. So don't do the final the last 2 hours. Maybe take a minute.
Yeah. Seriously. Okay. Good on section 2.
That sounds good. Yep.
Okay. So, fun. Okay, and then section 3. So the very first one. Find the exact value of sine a plus b given sine alpha equals 3/5 is in quadrant 2, and sine beta 5/12 is in quadrant 1. Okay, so basically you just use use the identity, like one of the identity functions or one of the functions. I can't remember which ones, but so yeah, I mean you just plug in the sine of alpha plus beta equals sine of alpha cosine of beta plus cosine of alpha sine of beta, and so you just insert the answer. You just insert, I mean, they give you what alpha and beta are, and so you just insert 3/4 into the equation and 5/12 into the equation and just solve. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Just, yeah, so you end up having 3/5 plus, let's see, so sine,
Where did they get the 3/5 from?
so that must just be the sine of 3/4, I'm guessing.
Sine of 3/4.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Sine of 3/4 and maybe the sine of 5/12. So I think it makes sense to me.
Yeah, I think it's like typing problem because on the question they said sine alpha equal to 3/4, but on down there they become 3/5.
Okay.
So I think just typing problem. Yeah, it's the only way I can guess about.
Yeah. Yeah, they must have just. Anyways, but I mean, understand the basic thing.
Yeah, once
Yeah.
you find the identity, it's easy from there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sure.
Just plug it in.
Yeah.
So
And
okay.
he'll give us identities, I think, right? We won't, oh, there are some we have to memorize, huh?
What?
Yeah.
Do
We have to,
Yeah.
I will taking also online, right? For the test, right?
wait, what?
Why would you memorize
Yeah.
the identity? I don't get it.
Like,
We have the sheet for the.
oh, yeah, we have the sheet. Okay. Yeah, never mind.
Yeah. I think he says that you can use that in there.
Yeah, because that's what be crazy hard. Yeah, you was
Yeah.
all day to memorize. That's even harder. Yeah.
Okay, that'll help then. Yeah, you just find the identity and
Mhm.
then just plug it in for that one then. That'll be easy.
Yep. Yeah, as you say, it says in the email. He sent out an email
Uh-huh.
that explained all the details about the final and stuff. I'm pretty sure he said you can use a sheet. So
Okay.
Yeah,
on
I think
those.
when you are on a regular class, you still can use the sheet. That's impossible for you guys to memorize everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. All right, cool. We feel good about everything.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Um, okay, I think.
That's about it. No homework this week either.
No homework. I don't know. I don't think have a individual quiz. Do we?
Yeah, I don't think so.
mm,
Yeah, just prepare for the final.
Sweet.
we'll see.
Yeah, and tomorrow I will send the last group quiz.
Okay.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it looks pretty straightforward. Group quiz kind of looks pretty similar to stuff we just did. So, all right, guys. Well, guess I'll see you guys around.
All right. It's been fun. Thank you so
Yep.
much.
Okay, we'll see you.
Bye.
All right. Bye.